Good morning, dear students. This is the series of NCERT question, exercise question. Okay. So in our electricity chapter, we discussed all the numericals and all the reasoning question, circuit question, all these things. Okay. So in the continuation, we start next question. An electric motor takes 5 ampere from a 220 volt line. Okay. Determine the power of the motor and the energy in 2 hours. Okay. कोई इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर है, ओके, जो 5 एम्पियर करंट ले रही है कहाँ से? 220 वोल्ट लाइन से ओके। उसको कितना मिल रहा है वोल्टेज? 220 वोल्ट मिल रहा है और करंट कितना है? 5 एम्पियर। ओके, सो वी वांट टू कैलकुलेट द पावर एंड एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड बाय द मोटर। ओके, सो वी हैव टू इंफॉर्मेशन, फर्स्ट इज वोल्टेज एंड सेकंड इज करंट। ओके, सो वी कैन इजीली कैलकुलेट द पावर। ओके, so what is the electric power? P equal to what? P equal to voltage into current, V into I. Okay, so what is voltage? Voltage is 220 volt. This is the voltage and current is 5 ampere. So 220 volt into 5 ampere. If we multiply 220 by 5, then we will get 1100 watt. Watt is the SI unit of power. Watt, W-A-T-T. Okay, this is the power. Now energy consumed by the motor. What is the formula for energy? Energy is power into time. What is the formula for energy? Power into time. And what is power? Power is here, so we put power. Okay, P equal to what? 110 watt, because we calculate here. So this is the power and time. Please see here, time in 2 hours. Okay, time in 2 hours and power in watt. This power in watt, W-A-T-T, watt. So we convert this time into second. Okay, so how many seconds in 1 hour? 3600. Okay, or we can say that 16 to 60, that 3600 second, and we have 2 hours, so we multiply 2. Okay, so this is the time in second. ये आवर में दिया था टाइम, इसको हमने सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट कर लिया, एंड इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस थिंग्स देन वी विल गेट दिस इज द एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड बाय द मोटर. व्हाट इज आंसर? 792000 जूल. ओके, दिस इज द आंसर. इफ वी वांट टू कैलकुलेट दिस एनर्जी इन kilojoule, then we divide this value by 1000, so we will get 7920 kilowatt. Okay, energy in kilojoule is what? 79220 kilojoule. Okay, this is the energy in kilojoule and in joule. Okay, so both the answer is right. This is energy in joule and this is energy in kilojoule. Okay, so please write this numerical. The next question is, what determines the rate at which energy is delivered by a current? Okay, what determines the rate at which energy is delivered by a current? Okay, करंट से जो एनर्जी डिलीवर्ड होती है, ओके, वो किस रेट पर एनर्जी जो है वो डिलीवर हो रही है, ये क्या डिटरमाइन करता है, क्या शो करता है, ये आपको बताना है. ओके ओके, किसी भी करंट के थ्रू कितनी एनर्जी डिलीवर्ड हो रही है, किस रेट पर एनर्जी जो है वो डिलीवर्ड हो रही है, ये क्या शो करता है, क्या डिटरमाइन करता है. ओके, सो द रेट ऑफ द कंजम्पशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी in an electric appliances is called electric power. Okay, electric power की definition क्या हो गई? The rate of the consumption of electric energy in an electrical appliances is known as, is called electric power. जिस रेट पर एनर्जी कंजम्पशन होता है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? इलेक्ट्रिक पावर. ओके, Hence, the rate at which energy is delivered by a current is the power of the appliances. Okay, so जिस रेट पर इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी डिलीवर्ड होती है करंट के द्वारा, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, उस अप्लायंस की पावर. ओके, सो व्हाट डिटरमाइंस द इलेक्ट्रिक पावर डिटरमाइंस द रेट एट विच एनर्जी इज डिलीवर्ड बाय अ करंट. इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, सिंपली इलेक्ट्रिक पावर ऑफ द अप्लायंसेस. ओके, प्लीज राइट. Okay, now we will start exercise question. Okay, इससे पहले हम जो भी क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे वो सब इंटेक्स क्वेश्चन थे एंड कुछ सोल्व एग्जांपल थे. ओके, एंड दिस इज द मेन एक्सरसाइज. ओके, एंड द पेज नंबर इज not given in this. You can see the page number on your book, NCERT book, but this is the exercise question and this the first question is objective question. Okay, what is the question? A piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. Okay, these parts are then connected in parallel. If the equivalent resistance of this combination is R dash, then the ratio of R by R dash is, the ratio of R by R dash is what? Okay, the ratio of R by R dash. Now, okay, a piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. Suppose ये एक वायर है. ओके, इसकी कुछ लेंथ है एंड यू डिवाइड दिस वायर इन 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स. ओके, आपने इसको 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स में क्या कर लिया, डिवाइड कर लिया. अब एक पार्ट का रेजिस्टेंस कितना है, आर. पूरे का रेजिस्टेंस कितना है, आर है. तो इसके 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स का रेजिस्टेंस कितना हो जाएगा, द रेजिस्टेंस विल बी रिड्यूस. ओके, बिकॉज यू इक्वली कट दिस वायर इन 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स. सो if R is cut in 5 equal parts, then resistance of one piece is what, R by 5. पूरे का resistance R है, आपने उसे 5 equal parts में divide किया, then what is the resistance of one part is R by 5. Okay, now this R by 5, 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 these 5 equal parts is again connected in parallel. These 5 parts are connected in parallel. Okay, then the equivalent resistance of this combination is R dash. Okay, जब आपने 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स को पैरेलल में कनेक्ट किया तो उनका जो कॉम्बिनेशन है, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द रेजिस्टेंस इज व्हाट, R dash. वो क्या है, R dash. Okay, so we find R by R dash. Okay, देखिए, when you connected, if you connected these resistances in parallel, then what is the resistance, what is the formula for combination of resistance in parallel? That is 1 by R dash, because R dash is the combination. Okay, equivalent resistance. So what, 1 by R1, and what is the value of R1, R by 5 again, plus 1 by R by 5. This is R2, this is the R3, R by 5, and this is the R4, R1, R2, R3, R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5 also, plus 1 by R by 5. Okay, because 5 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1 by R dash equal to what? If take 5 in numerator, then 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R. Okay, then what is the value of these resistances? Then please see here, 1 by R dash equal to 25 by R, and what is R dash? R dash is R by 25. Okay, this is the value of R dash. Okay. Now, whatever you ask, the ratio of R by R dash or R dash by R, you can easily calculate. Okay. So what is the ratio of R by R dash? Okay. R by R dash. So put the value of R is R. Okay. There is no value of R. And what is R dash? R dash is R upon 25. R upon 25. Okay. So R cancel here and 25 upon 1. Okay. So this is the ratio. What is the answer? 25. This is the answer. 25 is the answer because the ratio of R by R dash is what? 25. Okay. ये R dash कितना है? R by 25. तो R by 25 ऊपर चला जाएगा, R से R कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So this is the answer. Please write this. Okay, which of the following terms does not represent electric power in a circuit? There are four options: I square R, I into R square, VI, V square by R. Okay, we know that electric power is what? V into I. This is the fundamental formula. Now, V into I, Okay, so this option is correct. Now if we put V equal to IR from Ohm's law, we know that V equal to IR from Ohm's law equation. So IR into I. So what is I square into R? So this relation is also correct. And power equal to, if we put I equal to V upon R from Ohm's law, then V by R. Okay, so what is V square by R? Okay, so this relation is also correct. Only this relation is not correct for electric power. Okay, so please write these two questions. Next question is, an electric bulb is rated 220 volt and 100 watt. एक इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब है जिसका वोल्टेज कितना है 220 वोल्ट एंड पावर 100 watt. When it is operated on 110 volt, the power consumed will be. Okay, when this bulb is operated at 110 volt instead of 220 volt, then what is the power? Okay, so if the voltage is more, the power is 100. If the voltage is reduced, then the power is also reduced. Okay, so this option is not correct. 100 watt is not possible. Why? Because voltage is reduced. Okay, now we have three options: 75 watt, 50 watt and 25 watt. Okay, now what is the answer? Please solve this numerical. Electric power P equal to what? V square by R. Electric power का formula V square by R. Now R is what? V square by P. And what is V? 220 volt, which is given. And what is P? 100 watt. So 484 is the resistance. What is the value of resistance? 484 ohm. Okay. Now if the voltage is changed, voltage is 110 volt, but the resistance is same, there is no change in the resistance of the electric bulb. Okay, so what is power? P equal to V square by R. What is V? Here V is 110 volt because this is the new voltage. And what is the resistance? Resistance is 484 ohm. Okay, now if we solve this, then we will get 25 watt. So what is the answer? 25 watt. Option D is the correct. Okay, please write this.